In the picture you see the land going up. That is a hill. A road is on the hill. And trees are along the road. Do you have a hill in your town? String. In the picture you see an arrow pointing to string. People use string for different things. What do you use string for? Follow. In the picture you see kids on bikes. They follow each other. The kid with the white shirt is first. The others go where he goes. Who do you follow? Summer. In the picture you see a hot sun and lots of green. Summer is the hottest season of the year. Do you like summer? Fall. In the picture you see the leaves and grass are changing color. It's fall. Is it hot in fall? Winter. In the picture you see snow. And there are no leaves. It's winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. What is your favorite thing to do in winter? Wind. In the picture you see leaves blowing around. The blue parts are wind. Can you see wind outside? Hide. In the picture you see the cat is in the trash can. It is hiding from the dog. The dog is looking for the cat. Do you hide? Destroy. In the picture you see a building that is destroyed. It is broken in a lot of places. Do you have something that's destroyed? Mirror. When you look in a mirror you can see yourself. It shows what is in front of it. What do you see when you look in a mirror? Mouth. The picture shows lips and teeth. That is a mouth. A tongue is also in the mouth. But you can't see a tongue in the picture. What do you do with your mouth? Brush. The picture shows a brush. You can use it to make your hair nice. What color is your brush? Steel. In the picture you see things that are made of steel. Steel is strong and hard. What other things are made of steel? Peel. When you take the outside part off food, you peel it. In the picture a hand peels an orange. What other thing can you peel? Listen and choose the right answer. Hill. String. Follow. Summer. Fall. Winter. Wind. Hide. Destroy. Mirror. Mouth. Brush. Steel. Peel. Words. Prince. The guy in the picture is a prince. He is a part of the royal family. He could become king someday. Where does a prince live? Princess. She is also a part of the royal family. She could become queen someday. What is the princess wearing? Queen. The mother of the royal family is the queen. Her husband is king. She has a crown on her head. Where does a queen live? Place. In the picture you can see a place with buildings. A town is a place. A school is a place. What other places do you know? Soap. It is slippery. We use this for cleaning. When we wash our hands with soap, it makes bubbles. Where is soap in your house? Toothpaste. The stuff coming out of the tube is toothpaste. We put it on a toothbrush and use it to clean our teeth. What flavor is your toothpaste? Board. This is something flat that we use to write on. You can find a board in a classroom. The picture shows a whiteboard. Can you write on a board? Student. A student is a person that learns in a classroom. The boy circled in the picture is a student. He is studying in the classroom. Are you a student? Teacher. The person helping the students learn is a teacher. The woman in the picture is the teacher. What is your teacher's name? House. This is a building that people live in. It has rooms in it. The house in the picture has green roofs. How many people live in your house? Below. In the picture there is an animal below the ground. It is underground. What is below your bed? Earth. In the picture you see Earth. It is the planet that we live on. There are land and sea on the earth. Where is your country on earth? High. In the picture there is an arrow pointing to the high spot of the building. It is way up. Do you like to be up high? Town. In the picture you see houses and a street. That is a town. People live in the town. What is the name of your town? Listen and choose the right answer. Prince. Princess. Queen. Place. Soap. Toothpaste. Board. Student. Teacher. House. Below. Earth. High. Town. Words. This is something you put on your head. The arrow is pointing to the girl's helmet. It keeps your head safe if you fall and hit your head. What color is it? Store. It's like a shop. You can buy things in there. The picture shows a clothes store. What would you like to buy in the store? Dangerous. In the picture, you see a boy next to the black bomb. It is dangerous. It could hurt him. What other things are dangerous? Pour. When a thing comes out and goes into something else. It is being poured. In the picture, you see tea is being poured. What other things can you pour? Smell. In the picture, you see a man using his nose. He smells the pie. What do you like to smell? Happy. The girl in the picture is smiling. She has good feelings. She is happy. Are you happy now? Run. When you move your legs fast to go somewhere, you run. Some people run in a race. Do you like to run? Take a picture. In the picture, the boy takes a picture. When you have a camera and press the button, you take a picture. What would you like to take a picture of? Quiet. In the picture, the girl puts her finger on her lips. It means to be quiet. When it is quiet, there is no sound. You don't hear anything. Is it quiet now? Mix. In the picture, you see different things going in a bowl. When you put them together, you are mixing them. What do you mix to make cookies? Oven. It is very hot inside when we use it. We bake cookies or bread in the oven. What other food do we cook in an oven? Change. In the picture, there is a caterpillar on the leaf. The caterpillar changes into a white butterfly. Shop. This is a place where you can buy things. The shop in the picture has clothes in it. What is your favorite shop? Love. The woman in the picture loves the baby. She takes good care of the baby. Who do you love? Listen and choose the right answer. Helmet. Store. Dangerous. Pour. Smell. Happy. Run. Take a picture. Quiet. Mix. Oven. Change. Shop. Love.